Hey, I'm Ian. Recently I bought a new meter. It's this Trifield natural meter, and it's an EMF, electromagnetic field meter, but it's designed for scientific purposes. It has a filter built into it that will not detect man-made sources. So the wiring in the walls, electrical appliances, cell phone, Wi-Fi signals, all that stuff. So when I got it, it was, I don't know, it was kind of strange. It makes a sound kind of similar to a Geiger counter, but more like a fishing reel. And so I started hearing the sound, and I think it was probably the second time I turned it on. We had a power outage here that lasted all night long, so Aaron and I, sitting in the dark, I just turned it on, and I heard it go off. We started asking questions, and the sound would respond quickly to when we asked a question. So, thought that was strange. Seemed kind of, when these things happen, I mean, you have to remain skeptical. You have to try and think of questions or think of a way to test what's happening so that it's not just some random something that's affecting it. I've tested it quite a bit, made some videos. These first clips you're going to see are from the first videos that I did, where I was asking questions, and I tried to think up the best thing I could do just kind of on the fly was to count, to do counting and then try to get someone, if it was someone, to respond, after I count to a certain number and that sort of thing. So in both of these clips you're going to see that it's just the camera on the meter. I was just kind of testing it out that way, but you'll hear me asking the questions. Now, something interesting, the meter on this is barely going to move. I think in some later ones you're going to see a little closer up, you'll see that the meter just barely moves. And a lot of things seem to be that way with things that we're calling paranormal. You expect, or people maybe think that whatever reaction they're going to get out of a piece of equipment is going to be really a big jump or, some kind of measurement, but not necessarily. It seems that it's just a very minute measurement. Luckily, this thing has a sound to let you know when something's affecting it. So here are some of the first clips. And check out the responses. It's really cool stuff. Just affect the meter for yes, okay? So we can establish yes and no. So you are a female. You are a male. Okay. Are you over 20 years old? So that's yes. Yes, okay, yes, you are over 20 years old? I live in Texas, in America. So don't only answer if the answer is yes. Are you from America? Are you from Europe? Okay. Were you alive in the 1700s? So you understand that you're using your energy to affect this meter, this device, correct? Are you using your body to affect this? I never understand. I'd love to. Is it just energy that you're using? Okay, hang on. Can you use mental telepathy to communicate? So you can send messages with your thoughts. So you were once a living human being. When you're a male, and you're over 20 years old. Is that correct? Okay. Now I'm going to see, once again, just to make sure that we hear each other, that I'm communicating with someone. I'm going to count to 4. Okay. Hold on, alright? Hold on just a second. I'm going to count to 4. Please don't affect the meter right now. Please back away or stop the energy however you're doing it. I'm going to count to 4. Once I get to 4, please affect the meter right when I say 4 as quickly as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was right on it. Okay, that was really good. Do you live on this property? So you're from somewhere else? Okay. Were you once a living person? Are you the energy of a once living person? What we would consider a spirit. So you are a human spirit? Do the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then as soon as you can, after I say 4, apply your energy, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. That was pretty good. That was pretty quick. That was cool. Okay.